My name's Lucas. I've been trading Forex for over 10 years now, and I just want to share my experience working with IFC Markets. Now, throughout my career, I've worked with various brokers, but IFC Markets' proprietary platform has been a real discovery for me because it offers a really wide range of synthetic instruments and excellent analytics, which is really especially important for experienced traders like myself. I mean, for example, just recently, I made a solid profit by opening a trade on gold against oil, and the results were really impressive. And what I particularly like is the platform's stability and fast order execution. And that really allows me to react quickly to market changes and take advantage of every profitable opportunity for entering and exiting positions. And I'd also just like to highlight their customer support. Like when I had a question, I simply called the Canadian number and a knowledgeable specialist provided some really excellent advice. So look, if you're looking for a reliable platform for serious Forex trading, strongly recommend IFC Markets. It's one of the best brokers I've worked with throughout my career.